So most welcome this Pathoscope channel, and today day 3 this Pathoscope channel programming number 3, and I will get elif statement. So question number, write a program, input 3 number and find large value. Write down a program, input 3 number and find out large value. So you have new this Pathoscope channel, Pathoscope channel, subscribe and press the bell icon so get notification. And so basic to beginner for tutorial Pathoscope, basic to high level programming language in this Pathoscope channel. So please subscribe and press the bell icon. So I have computer screen and start. A is equal to int which means integer, and input, enter the value of a, enter the value of a is equal to write down, copy it, and then three value question b. So v is known b, and b. So again a is which means c, and also b is c. So your question, write down input three number. So I will three number a b c. If a is greater than b, a is greater than b, and colon, if a is greater than c, a is greater than c, and write colon, print a is large, a is large. And now next line, else print 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 c is large. So you have new for this Pathoscope channel, subscribe and press the bell icon. So write down code, print c is large. And now elif b is greater than a, b is greater than a, and colon, if b is greater than c. Now next line, b is greater than c, print b is large, print b is large, else. So new parameter technique is very easy, else, and write down colon, and this is left back side. And now print c is large, c is large, and else print c is large. Okay. And I have using if else statement, which means if else statement only some lines, and get code, enter the value of a 45, enter the value of b 12, enter the value of c 65. C is large, so yes, correct. A value which means 45, and b 12, and c 65. So 65 is large, both 45 and 12 number, so c is large. So I have one method and using if and operator, only this code and operator. Next video, hit the like button and subscribe now channel. Thanks for watching.